Nope. Hey y'all, we finna harvest our potato bag, okay? Y'all ready? Hold on. I'm nervous. Let's take this out. Okay, this is our potato bag. We're gonna take our little name tag out. I don't know what we're gonna do with them onions, but it's okay. Move it over there. Okay. Okay, that's heavy. Okay. 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 All right, y'all. I'm super nervous about this, but let's turn her over. Frankie Beverly? Pass. Oh. Ooh.
I'm scared.
Huh?
I'm scared.
Don't say that. Okay.
I didn't even say that.
Okay. Ooh.
I don't see nothing.
Uh, I got a potato.
Is that our starter?
No!
Oh,
Hold
wait,
on.
keep going. Hush, Sadie. Sorry, y'all. Our neighbor dog is barking.
Okay.
It's a green onion.
Put that over. I don't know where we're gonna put that.
I don't know. I feel a lot of potatoes. Hold on. Wait. Potato.
I got potatoes. Wait. Wait. Look at
Oh my god.
I have potatoes. That's my starter. That's our starter potato.
They couldn't see it.
Okay. Ooh, my back. My back.
You need a stool or something. You think you can sit on the water cooler?
I don't want to take a chance. I have potatoes. I have little potatoes.
You want me to show them? You want me to show them?
Okay. Okay.
I look crazy.
Ooh.
Hold on, y'all.
You know how to turn it?
Hold on.
You know what to do? Can you not put... Is it unmuted?
Yeah. Can they hear you? We got potatoes.
Look, y'all. Look it. I hear it. We got money in the chat.
Dang. Why is it not?
I got potatoes. I got potatoes. I got some potatoes. Oh, I got potatoes. Can you see it? Can you see the potatoes? We got potatoes. We got potatoes. Wait, this one right here. This one right there. I think I want to say I had 3 or 4, but I didn't get any of the red ones. Oh, woo! Potatoes. Oh, I got potatoes. I am a whole farmer. Okay?
Period.
Don't tell me I can't farm with my little 6 potatoes. I don't even know how many potatoes this is. But anyway.
Before we started.
Period. All right, mute me so I can close out. All right, guys. Can they see the potatoes?
Yeah.
Look at all my little baby potatoes. My potatoes.
Wait, give me the light.
Potatoes. I got potatoes.
Oop. Running away, child.
All right. So apparently we got to let them dry out for a couple days before we eat them. So there's our potatoes. Thank you for watching. Bye.